The STH10JK Stereo Replacement by Stinger offers a stunning 10.1-inch high-definition touchscreen display that enhances the visual experience in your Jeep Wrangler. This stereo replacement integrates seamlessly with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing for easy access to navigation, music, and other apps directly from your phone. Built-in Bluetooth technology enables hands-free calling and wireless music streaming, making your driving experience both safer and more enjoyable. The all-in-one dash kit and interface are specifically designed for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. Despite its modern features, the STH10JK focuses on digital media and does not support CD or DVD playback, catering to the needs of today's digital users. The Stinger STH10JK stereo system is a comprehensive upgrade for your car's audiovisual setup, combining style, functionality, and advanced technology.